Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can manipulate something after you've done it with the artistic media tool. I did this exact same thing the other day. We're going to take the artistic media tool. It is still set on my file, so I'm going to take that pencil and click on it and then move it up. So I have that file exactly. But let's say I don't like the shape of it. I can take the shape tool, and when I click on it, I can see the original line and nodes, but I can manipulate it now where I can see what the track's going to look like. You know, no matter what I do to it, I could make it longer, you know, change it up quite a bit. I can actually delete nodes and see what happens. Didn't really do anything. Let's see if we delete that one. We couldn't, that doesn't work. But you could grab multiple nodes at a time and make the track quite a bit longer if you wanted to do that. And then you could still move this, and this is just a shape tool, so we can right click on that and turn that into a cusp. And then when you do it with a cusp, you're only moving one handle at a time and not the other handle. So you can move this stuff around quite a bit when you're looking at it, because it's hard to kind of tell. And then don't forget, and it's always important to go up to object. After you're through, make sure you're all done. Let's grab it all, go up to object, and break the artistic media apart, because that line could give you problems. You know, it could, especially if you draw in hairline, that line could come back and cut, and you wouldn't even know it's there because you can't really see it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.